Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset for your Earbuds CREATIVE Air Plus using application. You have to start by open Creative app, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the application. Then you will see the same menu, but you can also see this menu. Just tap at your earbuds. Now we need to go to the settings at the right top, and at the bottom we have reset device. Tap at this line and then click reset. Now we need to wait just a bit. Okay, and we did it, but we need to check in the settings if they're connected. So go to the settings and Bluetooth or connected devices, and right here we still have connection, so we don't need to reconnect. How we can do it if we manually perform a factory reset. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.